Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. It is the last full day of ModTech for this 18 weeks. I've got a couple things I've got to have you do, and then we're going to have some fun with some other things. So first things first, I need you to minimize and find the MT Tools folder. Once you're in the MT Tool folder, I need you to go to the shortcut to journals and find today's date. This year, it's going to be 1/17/19. When you get in there, there are 3 movies that you must do to just take care of things before we end the 18 weeks. It'll be evaluating me, taking care of your folders, and cleaning up a little bit in the module areas. Once you're done with that, there's going to be a note in classroom about the cool things that we're going to do with the rest of the day. So right now, make sure your neighbors and everybody are getting cracking at it. Get that stuff set up so that we can get on to the fun stuff. Friends, as usual, if you like the movie, hammer that like button. If you have any questions or comments, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.